Welcome to our thorough review of the Klarna Card. Klarna is a Swedish fintech company that provides buy now, pay later services, which are integrated at their point of sale. It's a new way to pay that's increasingly becoming popular. It's a card that's designed to help you manage your shopping, budgeting, and payments in a more flexible way. Let's delve into the details. The Klarna Card comes with several key features that set it apart. Firstly, it offers an interest-free period, allowing you to spread your costs over a few months. You also get notifications for when your payments are due, so you never miss a payment. Plus, it offers the flexibility to shop anywhere online, even stores that don't specifically partner with Klarna. It's the ultimate card for a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience. When it comes to pricing, the Klarna Card stands out with its competitive edge. There's no annual fee, making it an affordable option for many. However, interest and late fees may apply if you fail to pay your balance in full by the due date. It's important to stay on top of your payments to avoid these additional costs. Klarna also offers a flexible payment schedule to help manage your finances effectively. The Klarna Card is ideal for online shoppers who want flexibility in their payment options. It's best suited for those who want to spread the cost of their purchases over time. It's also great for people who shop at a variety of online stores, as it can be used anywhere that accepts Visa. However, it's not the best option for those who struggle with managing credit or making payments on time. The advantages of the Klarna Card are significant. It offers a high level of flexibility in payments, allowing you to spread the cost of purchases over time. It's also convenient, with the ability to use it anywhere Visa is accepted. Notifications for due payments help keep you on track. Plus, the absence of an annual fee makes it a cost-effective choice for frequent shoppers. Every coin has two sides, and the Klarna Card is no exception. While the card offers flexibility, it could lead to overspending and accumulation of debt if not managed properly. Late payment fees and interest can add up quickly. Plus, it might encourage impulse purchases, given the ease of transaction. It's important to use this card responsibly. Here are the key takeaways from our review. The Klarna Card is a flexible, convenient, and cost-effective payment option for frequent online shoppers. However, it requires diligent credit management to avoid potential pitfalls such as late fees and interest. It's a great tool if used responsibly, but could lead to financial trouble if mismanaged. In conclusion, the Klarna Card offers a unique blend of flexibility and convenience that many online shoppers will find beneficial. However, it's not for everyone. If you're disciplined with your credit management and looking for a way to spread the cost of your purchases, it could be a great fit. But if you struggle with impulse buying or managing credit, you might want to consider other options. Thank you for watching our Klarna Card review. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding what Klarna has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thorough reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep producing high-quality content. Thanks again, and see you next time.